I'm still Ghanaian to this day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a video on finding out my DNA test results with MyHeritage. So I really wanted to do this because I don't know if you guys remember, a couple of months ago I bought Maurice a DNA test kit so we can find out where he was from. I think I know that I'm 100% Ghanaian. So I really want to do this MyHeritageDNA test and I got the results and they are in. Really happy that I got to use MyHeritage to do my DNA testing for this time around because they are the most global DNA testing service. They have like this large database of all different 42 different ethnic regions, and that is a lot. So you get to really find out where exactly you're from. So I'm really excited because imagine if I'm not like 115% Ghanaian. What? So when you get your DNA kit from MyHeritage, it comes like this, and it is the most simplest, if that's even a word, DNA testing thing ever because you don't have to like spit into a tube. You just, just swab your cheeks, and I find that really, really simple. It was like 2 minutes of a process, and then after that, you just package it up, and then you just ship it off. I know some people are like, oh, it's like you're sending your DNA to some place, but this is like a secure site. They're not giving your information out to people. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it. Find out where exactly I'm from, find out like my family tree, even though I do know my family tree, but what if there's more people that I'm related to that I don't know? So I have my results here. I've been waiting like a week to film this. So we are gonna figure out and see my results together. Comment below if you think that I'm 100% Ghanaian right off the bat and there's nothing else. Just comment below. I mean, my features say it all, but we'll see. Esanam, ready to explore your ethnicity? Let's go. Maurice is staring at me. Music? No way. No way.
Oh shit.
No way. No, I don't believe this. Maurice is trying to dance. No way. There's no way. There's no way. I'm not saying that this is wrong because I'm sure MyHeritage is correct. There's no way. The most shocking thing ever. I gotta call my mom. Where's my phone? I gotta call my mom. All right, guys. It says that I am 64.8% Nigerian. What? No way. There's no way. It says I am 25.8% Sierra Leonean, 7.5% Kenyan, 1.1% West African, 0.8% Maasai. What?
I got more Ghanaian in me than you do.
You do. I literally have zero Ghanaian in here. There's no way. Mom. Are you busy? Are you busy?
Not really.
I just did a DNA test.
And you are from where?
Nigeria.
We all want them to accept the border crossing.
You're right. We're not that far from Nigeria. It has zero.
Not that far from.
There's no Ghanaian on here. It says I'm 65.
Do you know your dad is from Nigeria?
Dad is from Nigeria?
Yeah.
What?
They are all Nigerian.
What? So, Mom, I've been living a lie.
Don't you see you look like a Nigerian?
He kind of does look Nigerian. I've been living a lie.
No. That is different than I'm from Nigeria. So, look at the apple thing. Yeah, so I'm not surprised.
Mom, it has no Ghanaian on here.
I'm telling you, your dad descendants are from Nigeria. That's how you look like them.
What? So are you Nigerian too? Well, you have to be. You're my mom.
Your dad didn't give birth.
But mom, there's no, well, I'm guessing this is Nigerian and it's so strong because it's like you said, it's so close to Ghana. So it's just like, they just pop. Yes, mom. Well, it says 65% Nigerian, 25% from Sierra Leone.
I know the Nigerian because your dad cousins are all from Nigeria.
Oh my God.
Don't worry about it. Your mom is from Ghana. That's where
I know, but it is not telling me that my mom is from. It's not telling me I'm from Ghana. It's telling me I'm from Nigeria.
because your dad's blood is thicker in you than your mom's blood. That's why you said it like it.
I look just like Dad. I know. Oh my God. What?
And even though against them to you, you have the blood descended from him stronger than mine.
And maybe like along your ancestral lines, you had people from Nigeria too. So maybe it's just a combination.
No, I don't have your dad.
You might. We should do a DNA test on you.
I want to come from mine. I don't want to come from Nigeria.
But mom, if you were from, it would be on here. We're gonna do a test. All right, bye. Well, guys, I've been living a lie. And my mom just told me that my dad's ancestral line is from Nigeria. So this whole time, I've been living a lie. I'm Nigerian. Nope. I refuse to believe this. I think because like my mom is saying Nigeria and Ghana, it's like close. It's just like, I'm West African. That's it. Shut up, Maurice. There's no European in here at all. Like Maurice had some European in his. So okay, I'm gonna view the full ethnicity estimate to see everything. Okay, so all supported ethnicities. Yep, I'm 0% European, 0% American, 0% Asian, Middle Eastern. I ain't none of that. None of sprinkling of a little bit of nothing in me. Oh, let me call my little brother. Cause I have some interesting news. It's gonna change your life forever. I love that you used my Ghanaian name too. So I just got the DNA test results.
This is our life.
Yeah, this is our life.
FaceTime me.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna FaceTime him.
Intro.
I'm gonna do the intro for you. Okay, ready? Hold on. I'm flipping this around so you can see. So this is MyHeritage's platform, and I'm gonna click Let's Go. Right? It says Essenam. Are you ready to explore your ethnicity?
I wish I saw this.
He was shaking his head. He said it's wrong.
Welcome, my brother.
Guys, you probably can't see him. Oh, here he is. Adam, show your face clearly. Do you think it's wrong? No, so I called mom. And wait, let me flip the thing back to me. I called mom, and mom said that dad's lineage, his ancestors are from Nigeria. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. I'm telling you that you're not Ghanaian. I'm telling you that you are Nigerian. Huh? Nope, that Ghanaian. I'm still Ghanaian to this day. That's not changing. To this day. To this day. Wow, guys. Well, that's the reaction from my family. Come here, my Nigerian brother. My Nigerian and Malian brother. My king. My king. My king. So we're gonna have the most. Oh, we'll let you sit. So we were about to have the most lit Ghanaian wedding ever, but now it's about to be the most litty Nigerian wedding ever. I'm gonna call my cousin Rachel. Let me call Rachel.
I told her too. I was like, watch, that shit gonna tell you Nigerian. She's like, no.
There's no way.
And I was joking, but it did.
Hey, I have news that's gonna change our lives forever. It depends on how you want to take it. So I did my DNA test with MyHeritage, and
Wait, what?
I'm not gone yet.
No, fuck it.
It says I'm 65% Nigerian.
Wait, did you say your mom?
I told her, and you know what she told me? She told me that they're right.
So what you gonna do about your Insta bio?
That's exactly what Adam said.
Wait, no, seriously?
Yes. Yes. So I called my mom.
Why is your mom saying it's right? Who is she?
She told me that my dad is Nigerian. She told me that my dad's ancestors are all Nigerian and they migrated into Ghana.
I'm so confused. I feel like I'm just meeting you for the first time.
Who am I? Am I Essenam anymore? I think you should do one too, because you know how they be saying my dad and your mom are cousins. I think you should do one.
I don't want to though. I'm not gonna do it.
I want you to try it. Well, when you're ready for that, I got a coupon code for you. Well, guys, my life is officially shaken up a bit. I still don't know how to take this in. My friends and family are telling me to change my Instagram bio, but I refuse to. Or maybe I'll add a Nigerian flag next to it.
Yeah, you can do that.
Make sure you click the link in my bio to get, you know, a DNA test result from MyHeritage, because this is really dope.
It's crazy.
Use my coupon code below. I think it's SC479. Find out where you're from, find out your, you know, your family, because on here it's like really dope. You can see like your full ethnicity estimates, like I talked about. I'm 0% everything else. You can see your DNA matches. I think it's really important to find out like where you're from. It's giving me an insight that I never knew before, especially if you guys know, you know, people from Ghana and people from Nigeria have this like fake, like, you know, debate about who has the best jollof rice, who's better than one another, and now I have to be torn in between the two. Oh wait, they also have family trees on here too. Yeah, so MyHeritage has a whole bunch of stuff, not just your DNA results. You can see your family tree, you can see DNA matches, you can see a whole bunch of stuff. Oh yeah, guys, if you see this random space right here, it's because I got a tooth pulled, because your girl is getting Invisalign, getting ready for this big fat Nigerian wedding that we're doing.
Hey.
So that's why. So I'm gonna get this closed up shortly. So we gotta leave out. We gotta leave out one more time. One time for the one time. Essie the Nigerian out.